Alright guys, what's going on? It's almost Christmas time. Finally recovered. So I figure guys, we'll just show you my C636 after restoration. Well, mostly after restoration. Because you know guys, it doesn't have its wheels or gas tank right now. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after rebuilding here. So I'm gonna tilt this a little bit back so you can see me better. Alright, here we go guys. This is the Alco C636 after restoration. As you guys can see, I repainted it red and blue. You guys can see it's an older engine that I have in my collection. I still got a little flops I got to fix here. I'll do that when I coat it again. Anyway, you guys can see the engine itself here. You guys can, sorry guys, it's so blue I have to do this so you guys see the details. There's a closer look at the engine. Whoa, what? Guys, did you see that? The way the sun's coming, it makes it look green. Alright, guys. Alright, there we go. That's better. Alright, now I'm going to angle it so you guys can see it here. You guys see the engine doors. See the coolant fan right here, whatever that is. So you guys comment what this part is right here for me, please. You guys can see our radiator grill. You guys can see our exhaust, the turbocharger up at the top. Alright, this one here, I redid the front. See, there's the back, and it doesn't look as good as it should because I have to repaint it. So, sorry guys. But anyway, that's just a quick look at after restoration. Anyway guys, I just want to give you guys a little update there. And the fan update's going good, guys. Sorry guys. So guys, I finally got started on fan restoration. So guys, tomorrow we're going to bring it and show you guys what it looks like so far. Then we'll do another video on it running. And guys, I think we'll run it on the floor this time. Because I don't want anything to happen. But anyway guys, you saw my initial checkout video before where it had all the chip paint on it. But now you guys can see, I'm back. I'm feeling better. So as I figure I'd do a quick video here, just kind of get you guys caught up here. It's been a while, so I was sick, so. But anyway, guys, that's the update for you. Take care. Merry Christmas to you guys. And guys, we'll see you in tomorrow's video where I'm going to show the fan so far. And also, guys, here's today's game question. Which episode of Shimmer and Shine is my favorite? Alright, so I'm going to give you guys choices of... actually, guys, I'm going to just tell you. Sorry, I lied. Okay, it's Dragon Rider. Here, guys, I'm going to have you... This is our game question here. What kind of diesel locomotive do you guys think this is? For all you train fans out there, see if you guys can guess it down below. And just so you guys know, it is an EMD. Alright guys, never mind. Just answer the question down below and tell me what you think. Tell me what kind of engine you think it is, and we'll see if you're correct.